Hi, I'm Katherine Taylor, the lawyer for business owners. I'm going to explain to you today when you do and don't need a lawyer to assist with the formation of your corporation. In a separate video, I discussed when you need or do not need a lawyer to assist in the formation of an LLC. So a corporation, as you know, is an entity that can be formed by filing certain documents with any state in the country. Each state has their own requirements, but generally there is some basic information that each state is going to require. If you are seeking to form a corporation and you know for sure that is the entity, the type of entity that you want to form, you can probably go online to the state Department of Assessments and Taxation or the Secretary of State, whatever that agency is called, and get a standard form and complete it and file it yourself. There are also lots of third-party sites where you can go that will assist you for a little bit of an upcharge, but assist you in getting those documents filed with the state. However, if you are forming a corporation where you have more than one member, you're going to need to pay special attention to not just the formation of the company, but to all of those things that you need to do after the actual entity is formed with the state. And this is something that many people forget or don't even know that they're required to do. You have to have an organizational meeting of your board. You have to have bylaws. Most states require bylaws. And if it's a stock corporation, which most corporations are, you have to actually make sure that the stock is issued. You cannot forget those things, because later on, if you had forgotten those things, you can basically you can have a real mess on your hands. So if you're forming a corporation, yes, you can do it yourself. Make sure you follow through with all of the steps that you have to do to ensure that the corporation is validly operating. And if you have more than one shareholder, definitely contact a lawyer to make sure you have a good shareholders agreement drafted to protect your rights and set forth the obligations of the shareholders to each other. I'm Katherine Taylor, the lawyer for business owners, www.taylorlegal.com. Thanks.